This is of my base, guys. And also that's not burst. We have an X, Beyblade X. Have a Beyblade X, and that's one. But I have no Beyblade X, just one. But I have a metal Beyblade. I have a metal Beyblade. My metal is good. The other one is broken. Can you fix it? This of the parts. And my plastic it's 2. You want 2? Fight them? Just 1. Okay. First time. Sorry guys, I'm doing that like that because my launcher is not holding. Like this. And I have to buy. Winner. Okay, fine. The Beyblade Metal I have no to fight, but I want to fight. And your comments, mag-comments lang kayo dyan. Anong gusto nyo? Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Go! Comments. Basta, meron lang ako. Go! Next week, I'm buying Beyblades, Burst, not X. And all this, it's Shopee. But the other one, this one, it's Robinson. Okay, see ya. That's all. Forget, like and subscribe and comments.